Hello traders. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to use the Big Candle Alert Indicator, another custom-made indicator from MyIndicators, made exclusively to be used in the NinjaTrader platform. After your purchase, download both the PDF file with the explanation on how to activate the indicator and the indicator file. Follow the instructions as the PDF says. Once you've followed all the steps, please go ahead and open up a chart. Then, select the instrument you want from the list. Once the chart is open, click on Indicators, and from the list look for Big Candle Alert. Then add to the configured indicators. In Parameters, add your activation email and personalize the indicator according to your preferences. You can choose the alert sound, deviation period, deviation factor, the visuals, and more. Once you are done customizing the indicator, click Apply. Here's a speeded demonstration on how the indicator works. This is a great tool, right? We hope you liked the video and found it useful. Let us know in the comments what you think about this indicator. Thanks for watching.